Good morning and welcome to all students. Today we are going to the lecture number 3. In this lecture, we define the various types of cybercrime and their examples in detail. So let us start the classification of cybercrimes. The cybercrimes basically are classified into 5 subcategories: cybercrime against individual, against property; third, against organization; fourth, against society; and cybercrime which from the Usenet or newsgroup. So these are the 5 subclass of a cybercrime. Cybercrime against the individual. The examples: cybercrime against the individual, email spoofing and other online fraud, phishing, spamming, cyber defamation, cyber stalking and harassment, computer sabotage, pornography offenses. Cybercrime against the property. The examples: credit card frauds, intellectual property crime, internet time theft. Cybercrime against the organization. The examples: unauthorized accessing of the computer, password sniffing, denial of service attack, virus, email bombing, salami attack, logical bomb, Trojan horse, data digging, industrial spying, crime from Usenet or newsgroup, computer network intrusion, software piracy. These are the examples against the cybercrimes against the organization. Then fourth one, cybercrime against the society. The examples: forgery, cyber terrorism and webjacking. These are the examples, the crime against the society. Fifth classification, crimes in manageability from the Usenet or newsgroup. Usenet group may carry a very offensive, harmful, inaccurate or otherwise inappropriate material or posting that have been misplaced or dissipating in another way. So these are the examples of 5 subcategories of your cyber crime. So let us explain one by one. Email spoofing. A spoof email is one in which email header is forged so that the email appears to originate from one source but actually has been sent from another source. In email spoofing, the cyber criminals create in such a way that the header will be appear it's originated from the original source, but it is actually originated from another source. That type of crime is called as email spoofing. Spamming. Spamming means sending a multiple number of copies of unsociated mails or mass emails such as chain letters. Difficult to control. In context, the search engine spamming is an alternation or creation of an document with the intent to deceive an electronic catalog or filling the system. So spamming means we can send a multiple number of email copies or unsolicited mails or mass emails such as chains of letters. So this type of crime is difficult to control. Then cyber defamation. Cognizable offences, this occur when the defamation takes place with the help of computer or other internet. Example, someone publishes the defamatory matter about the someone on website or send the emails containing defamatory information. Internet time theft. The usage of the internet hours by an unauthorized person which actually paid by the another person. So someone used the internet hours, but it is used by third one, another unauthorized person, and that type of crime is called as internet time theft, comes under the hacking. So we can say that someone steal or theft the password from the Wi-Fi and use the internet for her profit. That is the type of internet time theft. Then salami attack or salami technique. When negligible amount are removed, accumulated in something larger, these attacks are used for the commission of financial crimes. Then data digging. This kind of an attack involves the alternating raw data just before it proceeds by a computer and then changing it back after the processing is completed. So data digging means we can alter the raw material in programming before the data will be processed or after changing processing the computer. That is the data digging. Then forgery. Forgery is nothing but the crime which is related to the currency notes, review stamps, mark sheets, etc. That can be category of under forgery. Using computers, high quality scanners and printer will be even more this type of crime. Webjacking. Hackers gain access and control over the website of another event, will change the content of the website for fulfilling the political objective for money. So this is the website will be hacked by the hackers and the content on the website will be changed by the hackers to gain the profit. Then industrial spying. Spying can get the information about product, financial, research and development and marketing strategy, an activity known as industrial spying. The most in this is a passive attack. We can say that only hackers or cyber criminal observe the information of its financial products, research, work, development and marketing strategies, and after offering he will be used this information for her benefit or his benefit. Hacking. Every act commitment towards the breaking into computer or network is hacking. The purpose of hacking: power, publicity, revenge, adventure, desire to access forbidden information or destructive mindset. So main purpose of the hacking to access the more power, publicity, revenge, adventures, desire to access forbidden information and destructive mindset. Online frauds. Spoofing website and email security alter the lottery frauds, virus, hoax and emails. So online frauds, some companies will be sent you got when your email ID will be selected for the online lottery system, please claim, fill the information, your as details, bank details, will claim the prize. Such type of emails will be come to your email account. That time you fill the information and get money after few days. Such emails will be contain a online fraud which is will be very insecure. Do not respond. Then pornographic offenses. The child pornography means visual depiction. Software piracy. Theft of the software through the illegal copying genuine programs or the counter and distribution product intent passed for the original. Illegal copy of a program or distribution copies of the software, that is called as software piracy. So illegally, without license, without permission of to download any software and any program, that is nothing but the under the category of your software piracy. Computer sabotage. The computer sabotage is nothing but the use the internet to hinder the normal functioning of computer system through introduction of worms, viruses, logical bombs, referred as a computer sabotage. Computer sabotage means he can introduce viruses like bombs, virus and logical bombs. Email bombing or mail bombing. Sending a large number of emails so that the victim to crash the victim's email account to make the victim server crash. So email bombing or email, simply mail bombing, we can send a lots of email to the victim so that victim will be unable to access his email account or email account will be crashed. So this type of attack or this type of crime is called as mail bombing or email bombing. Usenet newsgroup as the source of cybercrime. Usenet is a popular means of sharing and distributing the information with the respect to specific subject or topic. Following criminals use the Usenet: distribution or sale of pornographic material, distribution and sale, pirated software package, distribution, hacking software, sale of stolen credit card number, sale of stolen data or stolen property. Computer network intrusion. This is the second type of attack, or we can say that this is the crime. Crackers can break into computer system from anywhere in the world and steal the data, plant viruses, create backdoors, insert the Trojan horse and change the username and password. That is nothing but the computer network intrusion. In this system, the cyber criminals are observe the information and enter into the computer system of victim and change its username and password so that it will be access the victim computer and use the information for his or her benefit. Then password sniffing. Program that monitor or record the name and the password of a network user as they log in at a site. That is called as password sniffing. Then credit card frauds, newsgroup, spam, crimes emanating from the Usenet newsgroup. So in this lecture we see 5 classification of a cyber crimes. Cyber crimes against individual, property, organization, society, and Usenet newsroom. Thank you.